My name is Sophia. Why I want to write about sloths are because they're cute and fluffy. Sloths babies are born upside down. Two-toed sloths are pregnant for 12 months.
Hi, my name is Silas and I love sloths. And also why I chose to write about them because they are so cute and fuzzy and I like them so much. Sloths live in the rainforest in South America. Sloths live in the canopy so that they can get their food.
Hi, my name is Julia and I'm writing about toucans. And what I like about toucans is that they're a type of bird and they live in the rainforest. Toucans live in the rainforest in South America. Toucans also live in the canopy layer and emergent layer to get fruit to eat.
My name is Celeste, and my book's about toucans, and toucans live in the emergent layer to get food. They have short necks, they have big beaks, they have big bodies.
Hi, my name is Madison, and you are going to be learning about sloths. Sloths live in the rainforest in South America. Sloths live in the canopy so they can eat leaves food.
My name is Isabel, and I'm teaching you guys about sloths. Sloths have one baby that is born upside down. Two-toed sloths are pregnant for 12 months.
My first name is Opal, and I really like about sloths because they're like really slow and I like when they move and like grab leaves, kind of. This is my book I made, and I'm gonna read the page. A sloth's body is about the size of a small dog. They have grayish-green fur because they have an allergy growing on their bodies.
My name is Sage, and it's called All About Toucans. Toucans live in the rainforest in South America. They live in